Hello mate, are you happy today? I'm still working in Shepton. I delivered an order and made $6. Then I went to the supermarket and bought this one and this one. They are half price. It's $2.40. It's just $2. And I bought yogurt. It's $4.20. Finally, I bought this one. It's just 70 cents. Bye bye.